Every realization of a video starts with a little adventure. This adventure will lead us on the highway network of London, where I had to go to get the keys to the place where I want to be. Because I'm a dum-dum and I goofed, and I freaking goofed. Now this is a small proportion only of what the London ways are. Like how they say, if you forget a thing, you have to go your length to get it back. And that was the same for me. And as you have read and you've seen the video thumbnail, you know that I'll be trying to polishing up my car. And obviously you cannot polish a dirty car, so I had to give it a good bath. And obviously that bath concludes snow foam. It includes washing it fully with snow foam, just making that black car be white with snow foam.
Free your body and your mind.
A reminder, if you want to skip this, go to 5 minutes and 23 seconds.
Day in the home, I'm your host Will and Cloud, and welcome back to DIY, or how to do it, or how to... I'm gonna polish up Jacuna or my 2010 Mazda 6, and you're gonna watch and learn some tips and tricks how to not do stuff, how to do stuff, or I'll just show it to you. Simply, I just showed you. I won't waste your time. So let's go. Now, as you all know, this is my 2010 Mazda 6 Sport 2.5 petrol, blah 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 blah, all that jazz. Now what we came here is to polish the paint or restore the paint to its previous glory. Because right now the car, I'll give you a scenario. There are two kind of cars on the roads now. Cars that look nice and brand new and shiny and awesome, and the cars that should be scrapped because they are wrecked everywhere, the paint is dull, they're just ugly. Nobody wants to see this. And I think that it's ready for the scrapyard. Try to guess which one is this. Well, thank you for the compliment. If you said that it looks like brand new and it looks all shiny right here, it looks shiny, it's back and brand new. In real life, or what the GoPro doesn't show you, it's scratched, wrecked, ruined on all around. So to fix that, I have the G3 Pro permanent no filler GT scratch remover. So this is the same brand that I used previously to polish the bonnet. See, the same brand to polish the bonnet. For the video where I went through the automatic washer to see if it could scratch the paint, and it did scratch the bonnet fully. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out, or I'll leave it in the description down below, where I polished with this the bonnet to remove all the scratches. What I'm gonna use is just a normal polisher. It just spins around. GT Pro, a cloth, a microfiber cloth to remove all the residue. I will use a 2-inch tape, and I will use compressed air. Now, some of you might be questioning right now why you need tape and why you need compressed air. If this gets full, these all fibers, see, all the fibers in here gets full of the paste, it will get hard, and then you will ruin your paint with the old polisher. Yeah, it's a scratch remover, but it does dry out, because when this is spinning, it heats up areas. So you need to always clean it. You can use a plastic card and just scrape it down, or with the compressed air just blow it off. Why you need tape? Good example right here. Here is a sharp point. If you have finished polishing here and then you go here, there's a huge risk that you will get the lacquer off from this corner and it will go matte. So that's why you use tape, to put tape around there and protect this corner so it doesn't go through the lacquer or anything that's there. So any sharp corners will be epic for this. And obviously, like for chrome, you do not want to polish chrome with that. Chrome has different polishers. So I can mask all this along all this because I want to protect this. The rubber, there's a rubber piece. You want to protect that, you want to protect this. You want to protect everything that's not paint. Like here, the plastic. Here is a plastic, and here, this cap is just paint. So yeah, I'll show you only like one door or one thing. The rest you can see yourself. It will be like 6-7 hour job basically. So I'm gonna speed everything up for you, but I gotta show you the tips and tricks how to polish yourself a panel without doing any damage and what to look for. I'm gonna show you just a rear door, just one rear door, because to show you all the car it will take hours, literally hours. So right now I'm gonna mask the chrome and the rubber. That is masked. Now we can go back on the door. Now what I can tell you right away, this door is fully scratched itself. You can even see right here. This door is wrecked on all corners. Let's just say this door needs full attention. Even here some marks. Here, right here, see, full scratches. This I cannot save anymore. I'm gonna do only this door. And I'll give you the side view of the door. Now, I did clean the pad and it's all nice and fluffy and there's nothing on it. Now I'll take the G3 and I'll put on the pad. If you put too much on, it will start to fling everywhere, and that's what you don't want to. Now I'm gonna clean it with the towel and see how it came out. There are some things you will never be able to polish out. Damn, this looks already good. God damn. Whoa. That looks epic. Not gonna lie, I think you can see these scratches that I haven't polished. What's this? Whoa, ho, 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 that's a big difference already. This needs few more. I can see loads of scratches here. You cannot see it, but I can with my eye, I can see it. So I'm gonna keep on polishing. You could see that was moving. Don't hold it in one place. The paint will heat up and it will just come off right away. Ask me how I know it, because I done it. Damn, okay, I'll just keep on going. I'll just do all this door and then we come back and see. Now, there is not a lot you can do. You can just polish it how much you can, but some deeper scratches you will not be able to remove. Like this, it's fully gone. Can you hear the noise? That's, yeah, that's back to metal. These scratches you can remove, if you can see them. Can you see them? Nope, you can't. Here is a scratch. You can see it now. These scratches will go. They will actually go, because if you go with a nail and you don't feel it, they will go. You just need to polish more. So that's how you can polish one door. You can't polish everything out, because that's not what polishers are for. But you can get damn near close. Funny situation update. It looks better, but it's not perfect. It's far from perfect. And I think all this door will need new sealer. So it needs new lacquer. But you see the shiny one. Hi, it's shiny now. Here it will need paint. So this place needs paint. And the rest will need lacquer. These scratches do not come off. They don't come off. And there are some chips. Not chips, but they are imperfections. So this door needs clear coat, so these two places will need paint, and then all the door needs clear coat. But like that, the difference is huge. You can see this scratch right here, see? It was in the door too right here, but it's gone. So it does work, it looks better, even though this all is ruined. There are so many deep scratches that is just epic. It's full of dust, don't worry, I need to still clean it. Look at that, the shine is epic, it just shows shiny and nice. But yeah, it will need at least lacquering, the top coat. It will need all around. So if you liked today's video, was kinda interesting, of course smash that like button, subscribe and notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!